Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch with OBS. So basically what you need to do is first place connection between OBS Studio and, in this example, your Twitch. So to do that, just open OBS settings, click on settings corner, tap on file, settings, and then choose the stream option. So file, settings, and then you go to stream option right over here, and then you need to select service, you have Twitch, YouTube, etc., and then connect account. And again, you need to use the stream key. I mean, you don't have to use it, but it's recommended to use. Then the next step is you want to configure the OBS. So again, open OBS, go to settings, choose video, and then base output. So it's the same step, so you just go to base, and then you have these outputs here. Now I can't choose because I'm recording with OBS at the moment, but make sure it's in this resolution, and these are your streaming resolutions, so 1080, 30 FPS, 60 FPS, etc. And when it comes to the bitrate, you have to make sure that it matches the bitrate. So if you're streaming in this quality, it needs to be this bitrate, and this is located in the output. So scroll down, and here is the bitrate, sorry. So here you would choose the bitrates depending on your stream quality. Then of course you want to set up your audio, like which thing will it capture. And then you need to create a scene. So tap on the plus icon given in the bottom left corner under scenes, click on OK. And after typing a name, click on plugs, and then it will be under sources here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, just to explain it, as you can see, I have my audio that's capturing my microphone camera. Then I have it capturing my display and my face cam. So microphone, camera, and display. When it comes to the chat, you don't need it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.